Today we are unboxing the Form Swim Goggles. Swim goggles with a smart display. Well, I am excited for the one today, and I haven't even drank my coffee yet. I wish this existed when I was a child. If I could use this during my swimming days, during my competitive swimming days, but what I think it's gonna do is it's going to inspire me to swim more. I saw this product, I think, on an Instagram ad, and I was like, I want this. I need to experience it, play with it, and show you what it's all about. Disclaimer, I did reach out, it was very expensive. I was like, I can't afford this. I said, can I get one to review for my YouTube channel? And they kindly said yes, so thank you. But inside of here are the Form Swim Goggles. Looks like a nice box, right? We're opening the bag. ASMR. Fresh plastic, I just love that feeling. It's like a kid at Disneyland, baby. You can track your heart rate with these swim goggles by using the Polar OH1 or Polar OH1 Plus, as you can see kind of in the bottom right there. And this is a heart rate monitor by Polar. Polar's probably one of the best brands when it comes to heart rate monitors. I have their chest strap, and luckily I also have the Polar OH1 right here. Tiny. You will put this essentially in the goggles, and it becomes a heart rate monitor that works with the goggles and works with the app. So that, I think, is freaking cool. Smart display, this is kind of what the smart display should look like on the back. They have a Form Swim Goggles app. And let's open up the box. What's in the box? Oh my God, what if my neighbor's like, ooh. See, one thing to appreciate about companies that do an amazing job when it comes to the box and how you unpackage the device. Apple does an amazing job, and there's a lot of other companies that do an amazing job. Like Viome did a great job. This right here, I love this strap you pull. This is called Experience. Oh, but that looks so sexy. Look at it form. Oh, should I just get soundtracks, audio? I should just get audio, but that is the Form goggles inside of this case. The manual is what dropped out here. We've got the getting started guide, power them on, download the app, follow the instructions, go for a swim, as well as how to put the goggles on the back of this device right here. So just the typical basic things if you really want to read it. Like if you're thinking about buying it and you're not really sure, you want to know what's in the box. What's in the box? You want to know what comes with it? I provide that entire experience. This case, it looks so sleek and sexy. All right, let's pull it out. All right, here it is, the full-on case. This is the Form Goggles case. Oh! Okay. And that's when my career ended as an unboxing guy. Form unboxing, there is the case, the front of it. The back of it has a couple of vents on it. It's got a nice blue zipper. Let's unzip it. The actual goggles are inside. Form Swim Goggles. And then we've got some nose pieces for you. Obviously, I'm probably gonna go with the extra large due to my Middle Eastern extra large nose. See your heart rate while you swim. So Form plus Polar, which is amazing. Super stoked about that. This is the back. This is the mounting clip for the OH1. So, boom. Designed in Canada, made in China. Form charging cable, black. I assume it's a micro USB. USB-C Form. It's USB-A to proprietary technology. Still USB-C, come on, baby. But there it is. This is the cable, relatively long. Wow, look at that. It's got 2 diodes and 2 pins. Okay, I get it. USB-C is still not fully everywhere, and you might not want to use it, but I'm living in the future, y'all. We got small, large, high clearance, extra small, extra large, and medium high clearance. Actually, I think I'm probably high clearance. I'm large, high clearance. Because extra large is the width, maybe a medium high clearance sizes. And then you have the high clearance options, which for me, my nose pokes out more. So that's kind of where we might need that. The moment of truth, unboxing smart goggles. That is so freaking cool. Here we go, baby. And the goggles come out. They are wrapped. And then you can see the front of the goggles, right? They look like classic goggles. And then you've got the electronic mounting device right here, which I assume projects the data. Oh, and there's a kind of like a screen on the right side goggle too. That's different than the left side goggle. So look at that. Maybe it's reflective, but you can kind of see that, yeah, like in the middle, right? That's kind of where the data gets displayed, I assume. If you look at it from the inside, you can see right there on this goggle, that's where the data will get displayed. This is the chip that I would guess is all the computer processing. Thumbs up, classic. We'll take our glasses off. Here we go. All right, so this medium is a little tight, but here are the Form Smart Display swim goggles. Look at that, I look freaking badass. You obviously wouldn't use this in a swim meet, but for working out and open water swims, this could potentially be very valuable to track your data and see information as you're swimming. There is a little piece, I'll punch that out. Boom, we got the large with the high clearance. Let's see if this fits better. This is the money, honey. I look like a cyborg. Boom. So what I see now is I can kind of see the display in my right eye goggle. Yeah, these probably need to be loosened a little bit, but let's boot it up. And that is so freaking cool. This is what Apple Glass coming out soon in 2021 or 22 is gonna be like, and we're all gonna be wearing this stuff. This is like the first swim version of it. Boom, you can kind of see that yellowishy, it's hard to see, I guess. And then when you power it off, so, boom, right? The pool is blue, yellow is a different color so you can see better. That's why I assume the display is yellow. So I open up the Form app, as you can see right here. They have a nice welcome sign. You can view their beautiful images, people wearing their goggles. Get started, I'm gonna log in, create your bio. Oh, it's gonna help me find nearby pools. Pair your swim goggles. Front button. Oh, so this is the charging cable. It's just magnetic. Boop, right there, as you can see. Pretty easy and nice. I love that. I charged it a little bit, so it should be good to go. Form, I see Form. I'll have to find a way to see if I can show you the screen. Connect to app is what it's saying. And now it says connect to app in bright yellow on the screen that I can see right here. But I can still see past that, I can see you. Oh, goggles found, there we go. Okay, so I have to be wearing the goggles to type in the pin, which I can see on the screen here. I feel like I'm living in the future right now. Pairing complete. Update required, obviously. My goggles need an update. Welcome to the future where your goggles, your glasses, even your t-shirts need updates. Not yet, but we'll get there, don't worry. A few tips, right? You have the different nose bridges that you can attach. When you start swimming, the motion detector bar fills up and the timer starts. Cool. Oh, it says updating goggles. I see a progress bar. While you swim, you'll see the time plus the metrics. Cool, like how many yards I've swam, the time I'm spending. Don't forget to pause and save your swim. So you can use these buttons to maneuver through, resume swim, sync your goggles with your app to get the details of your swim. Like that on this side is just so much bigger. Like that is an entire computer system essentially with a screen. Wow, I want to try these so bad, but the pool is closed still. Done. 99% battery, they're synced. Lap swim dashboard, I can see that. Intervals dashboard, right? You can customize the type of dashboard you see on the actual screen of the lens. You can sync it. We've got some settings here, the software, display orientation, right eye, and you can change it to left eye, I guess if you wear it the other direction. You've got your user profile, your stats, so now you can actually track your data behind all the swimming you've been doing. Imagine if you could know like all the laps I swam, what I swam from since I was a child. Like I swam competitively for 13 years. Imagine if I had all that data. I can see people that it's suggesting I should follow. I don't know any of these people, so I don't know if I want to follow them. Look, they've got followers, currently recovering. Sarah Crowley. I used to swim with a Crowley. Boom. You can see like their bio, how much time they've swam, the hours, and then you can follow them. But this is the unboxing and the app walkthrough of the Form Smart Swim Goggles. Form swim goggles with a smart display. Subscribe down below, hit the like button. I'm gonna do a review on these goggles. I'll actually test them in the ocean. In the pool, I mean, I'll try the ocean if I can get to California. Hashtag swim with Form. Get it? Form swim goggles. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace. You gotta have the proper form when you're swimming, right?